This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Julenn Keeling. Great 3-bedroom/1.5 bath townhome. This flowing floor plan offers spacious living and dining areas, updated kitchen, West/granite countertops, and full appliance package included brand new stove and built-in microwave, new carpet and fresh paint, brand new luxury vinyl plank LVT flooring throughout the downstairs, newer roof and move-in ready. Come and see it today. For more information, review the details below.